Okay, dear students, in previous lectures of sources of food, we have done exercise our completed to F long answer questions. Now today we will discuss about G section, that is your HOTS, or you can say high order thinking skill questions, in which two questions is given. First, in which you have to given a picture of pizza and you have to identify the sources from which these ingredients are obtained, like paneer and cheese. They ask for both two things. Okay, so these when you will get from where? Milk. Okay, which in turn you can get from the cow, and or you can write down simply animals. Okay, or you can say milk is the ingredient for the paneer and cheese particularly. Second thing, tomato. Tomato you will get from what? Plants. Okay. Second, mushroom. Mushroom also plants, or you can write down crop we particular have. Second thing is maida. Maida you will get from seeds of what? Maize crop. Maize crop we will took out, we will take the seeds, then we grind them to produce maida. So these are the different ingredients from where we are getting these particular our products. Okay, this is the first HOTS question. Second, they are asking about your mother. If making food, then whether she is a producer or not. So you will answer that no. My mother makes food means to she is a cook, but in actual, or you can write down real, but in real, producer is the plants and animals from where we take out those ingredients. Okay, ingredients are the particular thing to use to make a food. Okay, that will be your answer for the second HOTS question. Now you will see that there is an activity below HOTS. First one is the home assignment, that you have to prepare your own dear in your notebook. Okay. Second is a field visit that you will definitely go for after lockdown review. Third thing is group discussion, which we can discuss in the class. So when school will regain, then we will discuss this particular section. Okay. Now the next one is crossword puzzle. I am showing you in the book that crossword puzzle, and I am filling you that crossword. You see that there is written across. Across mean from this one to this one, left to right. These mean to say across. Okay. Now down. Down is from upward to downward. This is downward. So these are hints. These are given hints. That word you have to fill in these one. Like first, across. First hint, first number is given. Animals that eat both plants and flesh of other animals. So we know that very well. These are known as omnivores. So in this you will fill omnivores. Okay. Now across, second, rearing of honeybees on a large scale is called apiculture. So you will fill here apiculture. Okay. Now downward, the third column, this one, the materials needed to prepare food items. You know that they very well, they are known as ingredients. So here we fill ingredients. Completed this one. Now come to fourth. A tasty and nutritious food item that we get from honeybees. So honeybees, you very well know that they take a nectar out of the flowers and put them in hive to make honey. So here in this column you will get honey filled. Now the last one, that is fifth one. The parts of the plant which can be eaten are called edible parts. So here in the fifth from downward is you will fill edible. So this is your crosswords completed. So today our sources of food chapter will get completed. If you have any questions, you can contact dear anytime. Okay. So read the chapter completely, do these crosswords. Now further we will start our second chapter on the next day. Till then, if you have any problems in this regarding chapter, you can contact anytime. Okay, thank you.